Hi, welcome back. So now we're going to discuss how to calculate p-value for two-tailed t-student test. So we are going to use the same problem as we did during the last lecture. So we have 16 patients and we measure their body temperature after they took some experimental drug. And we want to figure out whether their average body temperature is different from the normal one, which is 36.6. So here we have to compute p-value for the two-tailed test. And as before, we shall start with computing t-statistic. So we do this based on the mean value and sample standard deviation. And as you remember, our t-statistic is equal to 0.8. And now we have to detect the level of significance corresponding to this value. Okay, here we are. So as usual, we have to choose between two values. And just to stay on the safer side, we are going to pick the lower one. So for this value, for two-tailed test, the corresponding level of significance is 0.5. So this means that the probability of type 1 error is not higher than 50%. Which is still too much because, again, as we discussed before, there are three conventional levels of statistical significance: 1%, 5%, and 10%. So everything with p-value above 0.1 is typically reported as statistically insignificant. So in this case, we can conclude that the difference between the average temperature in a sample and normal body temperature is not statistically significant even at 10% level of significance. Yeah, so basically we just fail to provide any evidence that the average body temperature is different from 36.6. So that was it when it comes to calculating p-value for two-tailed test. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.